once again welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Today we will understand the topic cosmetics. Topics: lipsticks, shampoos, cold cream, vanishing cream, toothpaste, hair dyes, sunscreen. Today we will complete only lipsticks. In next video we will complete the other topics. Parameter of topics: definition, ideal characteristics, formulation, preparation. Discuss the topic as per PCI syllabus of B Pharm 5th semester.
Introduction to cosmetics. Cosmetic word is originated from Greek word cosmetikos, means adorn and preparation, which is used for this purpose is known as cosmetic. Now we will understand the definition of cosmetic. A cosmetic is an item intended to be rubbed, poured, sprinkled or sprayed on, introduced into or otherwise applied to the human body or any part thereof for cleansing, beautifying, promoting attractiveness or altering the appearance. कॉस्मेटिक एक ऐसा आइटम होता है जो रब्ड, पोर, स्प्रिंकल्ड और स्प्रे करके स्किन की ब्यूटीनेस को इंक्रीज करता है, उसे क्लीनाइज करता है और अट्रैक्टिवनेस उसकी प्रमोट करता है और उसका अपीयरेंस अट्रैक्टिव बनाता है. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कॉस्मेटिक्स. देयर इज वेराइटीज ऑफ कॉस्मेटिक प्रिपरेशंस are used which can be classified by various ways. First, according to region where it is used. जहाँ पे कॉस्मेटिक प्रिपरेशन यूज़ की जा रही है उसके अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम क्लासिफाई करें तो फर्स्ट, स्किन इंक्लूड्स पाउडर, लिपस्टिक, रग, क्रीम्स, लोशंस and solutions, etc. Second, hairs. It includes shampoo, conditioners, creams, bleach, coloring, preparation, etc. Third, nails. It includes nail lacquers, lacquer removers, etc. Fourth, teeth. It includes powder, paste, gel and dentifrices, etc. Fifth, eye. It includes eyeliner, mascara, eyeshadow and eyebrow pencil, etc. Second classification according to function of cosmetic preparation. First, emollient preparation. It includes cold creams, vanishing creams, foundation creams, lotions and solutions, etc. Second, cleansing preparation. It includes creams, shampoo and rinses, etc. Third, decorative preparations. It includes lipsticks, rugs, eyeliner, lacquer and dressing preparations. Fourth, deodorant and antiperspirant. It includes spray, sticks and mouthwashes. Fifth, protective preparations. It includes creams and powders. Sixth, preparation for enjoyment. It includes salts, powders, oils and milks. Third classification according to composition of cosmetics. It includes powder, lotions and emulsions, solutions, suspensions, creams, paste, gels, aerosol, sticks and pencils. Now we will move to the important topic, lipsticks. Lipsticks may be basically defined as dispersion of the coloring matter in a base consisting of a suitable blend of oil, fat and wax with suitable perfumes and flavors, molded in the form of sticks to impart attractive gloss and colors. When applied on lips, lipstick provide most appearance to the lips, accentuating them and distinguish their defect. Ideal characteristics of good lipstick. The ideal requirement for the formation of a good lipstick may be as follows. It should efficiently cover lip with color and impart a gloss which would last long. It should be able to maintain the intensity of color without any alteration in the degree of its shade. It should be able to adhere firmly to the lip and should not provide any greasy appearance. It should possess good thixotropic properties so as to deposit the color with minimum pressure. It should show a smear-proof coloring effect. It should possess required plasticity and be able to maintain all the properties throughout the storage period. It should not be gritty. It should be easily dried. The stick should possess even firmness and should maintain its strength at varying temperatures up to 55 degrees Celsius. The stick should not dry or crumble easily. The raw material involved in the formulation of the lipstick could be as follows. Ingredient with example. The solid components and waxes. The hydrocarbon waxes. Example, white beeswax. The mineral waxes. Example, ozakerite wax and kerosene wax. Hard waxes. Example, carnauba wax, candelia wax, hard paraffin wax. Microcrystalline waxes. The liquid components, mineral oils, vegetable oils, castor oils, butyl estrate, glycol, water, silicone, fluids, IPM isopropyl maleate. The softening component, anhydrous lanolin, cocoa butter, lecithin, petrolatum. The coloring agent, carmine, diastophacetin, pigmented stain, lax, etc. Pearlescent pigment, guanine crystal, bismuth oxychloride. Opacifying agent, titanium dioxide. Perfumeries, rose oil, cinnamon oil, lavender oil, etc. Miscellaneous agent. First, preservatives. Example, parabens. Second, antioxidant. Example, BHA means butyl hydroxyanisole and BHT means butyl hydroxytoluene, tocopherol, etc. Flavoring agent, cinnamonial, spearmint oil, etc. The solid component of formulation are mostly natural waxes which may be classified as follows. The hydrocarbon wax, example, white beeswax. The mineral waxes, example, ozakerite, kerosene. Hard waxes, example, carnauba wax, candelia wax, hard paraffin wax, etc. Microcrystalline waxes, hydrocarbon waxes, white beeswax. It is also known as the common wax and forms the oily base in the formulation of lipsticks. Source, it naturally obtained from honeycombs of the honeybee, Apis mellifera. Melting point, that ranges from between 62 to 65 degrees Celsius. Concentration, it is used in the concentration of about 3 to 10% of the total formulation. Available form, it is available in the form of block, pills, slabs and cakes. The commercially available bleach form is widely used. Uses, it forms an important base and is extensively used for entrapping castor oil. Second, it has good plastic property and can be readily deformed when it is warmed. Third, it is used as a traditional softening agent for lipstick. Fourth, it forms a good base in the formulation of molded product. Advantages: first, it is compatible with vegetable, minerals, and animal wax. Second, it can be molded into required form. Disadvantage: when it is used as concentration of more than 20%, it forms a dull film on the surface of the lips. It is usually mixed along with other waxes such as ojicrate wax.